Did you do the cone? Are you good, Will? We're doing good. Are you gonna fill up the water of the cone, Will? But don't drink it, okay, Will? Well, I don't want to get... You can't drink that, okay? That's what... And there's Travis. And there's Will's dad. And Will's mom. Hey, guys. So today... What is happening? So this is Will's house. There's some rivers. Let's check. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, are you okay? The bug? Will, it's okay. Are you alright? Are you doing alright? Well, we're doing alright. We want to stun you. Are you okay? Yo, yeah, this is a rock. Take a quad jump off of this. And this is the blast off the Will jumps at this. So, we're not gonna jump on it. That's too dangerous. Yeah, I don't know why Will scream. I don't know. Oh, he's on the water. Hey Travis, you should jump on it. Okay, buddy? Do you jump it?
Yep.
Okay. How's it going?
It's going great. You?
Yeah.
You're doing great.
Yeah, are you okay, Will? Are you okay? Yeah, you're doing okay. 2014. Okay. Are you good? Yeah. You got the bug. You don't want to stun you? That's no good, you stun, okay? Yep, you're doing okay. You're doing alright. Are you alright? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that is it. Whoa. Whoa, that is pretty good. That is pretty good. But wait till later. Alright, here's the music. Okay, let's just check there. Yeah, perfect. They're my slippers. There's some left. I can't look at that one. Just be careful. There's a swimming pool. I'm not doing that. I'm not going over there. Okay. Oh, God. On the bushes. Okay. Here's a room. Oh, there's Rheem. It has 2 blades. It has a Copeland scroll compressor. And there's all 3 disconnects. I think here it is from 2015. This one's a 2015. Rheem. Oh, I didn't know that's. Yeah, that's not running. Okay. It has 2 blades. It's at Will's house. It has 2 blades. Rheem? Ooh. Okay.